everyone, welcome to another video. Today I have a subscription box from Claw Culture. Make sure you check out their products. I have a discount code for 10% off. Enter this at checkout, kizzy10. So let's have a look what colours we got this month. First we have Mississippi. Then we have Cappuccino. And the final polish we have Sandstorm. I'm not sure why my camera wasn't focusing in this video. Do apologise. Here we have some glitters. So I'm going to go ahead and swatch each of these to see what they look like. I'm going to start with Mississippi first. I really love these Claw Culture gel polishes. The consistency of the gel is really thick and creamy. They also hold a lot of pigment. So here we have Cappuccino. This is a paler colour. So maybe sort of an orangey with sort of a tinge of brown in it. And then finally we have Sandstorm, which I think this is my favourite out of the three colours this month. So we're going to pop those in the lamp for a 60-second cure, and then we're going to go in and put a second coat on. Pop that in for a 60-second cure. So there we have our 3 very autumnal colours for this month. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to press that like button and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!